So hey, this is Alex with TerraX. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install the Navidok for the Ford Transit. So when you receive your Navidok, you're going to receive it as simple, where the mounting blocks are attached to the upper brackets. Reason being is so you guys can actually take a visual where these blocks are going to be sitting after we remove them. They are going to be sitting in this little square section right here. So you take a visual at it. You have a driver side and a passenger side. These blocks are marked on the inside. DS stands for driver side. PS, passenger side. So when you receive your Navidok, you'll receive a little bag with 4 foam pads and 1 hex key. So first thing you want to do is take these foam pads, or take one of it, peel the film off and stick it kind of like high up on the mounting bracket like this. Then you take your second foam block, peel the film off, stick it kind of like on the bottom like this, and you repeat this on the second bracket. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to remove these mounting blocks. Okay, so you have your hex key, you insert your hex key right in that hole, reach that mounting block, and then you unscrew the screw, and that block should just come loose. Take the screw out, repeat this on the second side. Okay, get the screw out. So that's it for right now. So let's go in the van and install the Navidok. So we are in the van now. What you want to do is, after you have removed your little mounting blocks, you just want to take the Navidok, center it, and drop it in like this. Okay, you don't have to force it, like just set it in like that. And then what you want to do is you want to grab your mounting block. So again, like I said, this is passenger side, PS, okay? And then what you want to do is, and again, like I talked about earlier, where the block is going to be sitting, the block is going to be sitting in here. It's not going to be back here, it's going to be here in the front. So what you want to do is take the block, that's how it goes in with a shape, and you just lift this up a little bit and you slide that block in there, just like that, until you're flush with the edge. Super simple. Then you want to take your screw and you want to drop the screw in the hole. And then you want to, when it's seated all the way down, your hex key should go in about 1.5 inches. That means the screw is seated. You might want to maybe do like 2 turns, the max. You want to keep it a little bit loose, okay? Because we have to move it maybe a little bit for the other block to get in. So one thing I want to say is, if for whatever reason your block falls out and your screw is stuck in there, you will not get the block back in. You have to take the whole unit out, take the screws out, flip it around, and then repeat the process. Okay, when we have this side in, now we're doing the same thing on the second side. So now we are doing the driver's side. Again, here's the block. The block's going to be seated like that. Like the screw hole goes to the inside. So make sure it's the driver's side, DS. So what you want to do, same concept. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. You want to maybe lift this up a little bit. Oh, careful. Oh. Let's do it again. Yep. And slide, you see how I have this block now nested, and slide it in until it's flush. Push this down. Now you want to take your screw, drop it in all the way, and then you're good to screw this down all the way. Now you want to do this on this side as well. And that's it. Your Navidok is installed and you're ready to go on the road.